Hello students, today is Wednesday. Let's start our class with English period. See page number 128. Grammar junction. Today you will study about grammar part. Read these sentences. First sentence, Aman and Veda came to the village. Let's read second sentence. Aman, Veda and village are nouns. Do you know what is a noun? Can you remember? Nouns are names of people, animals, places, or things. Nouns can be singular or plural. Nouns can be masculine or feminine. So, what is a noun? Nouns are the names. We all have names. Yes? Animals have names, different places have names, and things which we use, all things have names. So what is the definition of noun? Nouns are the names of people, animals, places, or things. Let's see again same sentences. Aman, Veda and village are nouns. See, Aman, name, Veda also name, and village, name of Mrs. Place. Yes, these are nouns. But let's see, nouns can be singular or plural. Singular refer to one person, animal, place, or thing. Or plural refer to more than one people, more than one people, two boys, two girls. We use for animals, lions, cats, hens. Animals, places, different villages, different roads, and vastu. Let's see, nouns can be masculine or feminine. Nouns can be masculine. Masculine we use for male, for man, and feminine, masculine for male, and feminine for female. So you use the singular noun, plural noun, masculine noun, feminine noun. These are the types of nouns. So today you will study about two more parts, which are proper noun and common noun. Let's read this paragraph. There are different kinds of nouns. A noun that names a particular person, animal, place, or thing is called proper noun. Aman and Veda are proper nouns. There are different kinds of nouns. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, collective noun, singular noun, plural noun. There are 10 types of nouns. But what is a proper noun? Noun that names a particular specific. When we talk about a particular person, particular place, particular animal, particular thing, when we talk about particular thing, so that is boy is not proper noun, but when I tell you Aman. Aman is proper noun. And when I talk about village, this is not a proper noun. But when I tell you name of village, Naigaon, so this is proper noun. Place, Panchgani, proper noun. Thing, Nokia mobile. Yes. So this is particular. When we talk about a particular person, particular animal, place, thing or animal, so this is called a proper noun. A proper noun refer particular person, particular animal, place or thing. Let's read here second paragraph. The first letter of a proper noun is always a capital letter. When you use a proper noun, it should be capital. See, Aman, Veda, V, A capital, V capital. We begin a proper noun with a capital letter when it is, even if it is in the middle or at the end of a sentence. It doesn't matter when it comes in middle or at the end of the sentence. So we have to use capital letter. Capital letter. Okay. Now let's see second part of noun. A noun that does not name a particular thing, person, place or animal is called a common noun. When we talk about anything, any person, any animal, so that we do not use specific person name. See, boy is common noun. Yes. Pencil is common noun. Common. We use for all things. Yes. Does not name a particular, not a particular, not a specific thing, people, place or animal. Yes. This is called common noun. We use for all things, for everybody, for each and every places. So those nouns are called common noun. Yes. Proper noun means we use for specific person, specific things, and common means not specific, which we use for everybody, not a particular. Okay. Let's see examples. On Monday, we went to the zoo. We saw an elephant there. Proper noun. Zoo is common noun. Elephant also common noun. Why Monday is proper noun? Because this is a specific day. Yes, which we use every week. Zoo, there are many zoos. There are many elephants. Yes or no? But if you give the name of a zoo, then it can be a proper noun. Yes. Elephant, if you give name Emily elephant. Emily elephant. Emily is proper noun, but elephant is common noun because there are many elephants which you don't know, and which the particular elephant, there you can use only proper noun. Binni is name of bird, but Binni is proper noun, but bird is common noun. Torty is a tortoise name, but torty is common noun, but tortoise is common noun. Let's see more examples. What is Ganga? Ganga is name of river. When we talk about river, there are many rivers. Krishna, Ganga, Godavari, Bhima, Koina. Yes, there are many rivers. Common noun. Okay. Goa is name of a state. So when you talk about particular thing, specific thing, this is proper noun. But when you are thinking about only states, there are many states. Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan. So many states are there. State is common noun. Asia is name of continent. Asia Khanda. Yes. So Asia, when you talk about Asia comes under proper noun. There are many continents. Asia, Africa, America, Australia. But when you talk about only continent matlab, it will come under common noun. Yes. So we have to categorize what are proper nouns and what are common nouns. Yes. Let's go to page number. Let's see how will you do category. Make 2 columns, one for common noun, one for proper nouns. Okay. When you talk about common noun, person. Okay. Boy is common noun. But when you talk about particular boy, Mayur, name of the boy is Mayur. Mayur is proper noun, but boy is common noun. Girl name only. Sir, which we can use for all teachers, all male teachers. But when you talk about only Samir sir, means Samir sir is proper noun. Animals, only dog, common noun. Sweetie dog, proper noun. Okay. Fish, common noun. But starfish, proper noun. Elephant, common noun. And Mangla elephant means proper noun. Places. Okay. Village name, village. Only village, common noun. But Naigaon village means proper noun. Road, when you talk about only road, there are many roads. But when you talk about particular road, MG road is proper noun. Temple, there are many temples. So when you talk about temple only, this is common noun. But proper noun, Ganesh temple. Yes. Specific things, vastu, pencil. You all have pencils. But when you talk about only Natraj pencil means is proper noun. Fan, we all have fans. But when you talk about only Usha fan is proper noun. When you talk about only mobile, there are many things which use. We all have mobiles. But when you talk about only particular or proper, specific, Nokia mobile is proper noun. So you make 2 columns in your notebook. Common nouns and proper nouns. This is your home assignment. Okay? You take your time and complete your work. You do it in the notebook. Thank you so much.